In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy off Hacoo. So it's actually quite simple. First, you have to open up the Hacoo app and create an account, and then once you've done that, what you have to do is find something you would like to buy. So I'm gonna just scroll around over here, and for example, there's nothing I want to buy. I'm gonna click up here up top and search for, let's say, a necklace. And then let's say this one over here, the first one, is the necklace I want. So you can simply click on it, and then over here you'll be able to see the inspired products, and if it says inspired products, this means that the product is the one that's over here. So if you click on this, you'll be able to then add this to cart. Now, as you can see, you have the pricing, you can see how it's ranking, it has the colors, the style, you can read all the specifications, as well as you can see when the estimated time of arrival is, and then how long it will usually take. So down below, there's also some reviews and stuff like that, and more things from the seller. What you can then do is click add to cart, bottom right, and as you can see, it's been added to your cart. Now, once you've done that, you can, of course, keep searching for other things or click on the cart to get into the cart. So let's now say we found everything we wanted to find, and then you can see we have one item in the cart down below, just next to that plus button. You can click on the cart, and there's one item in here. You can select how many of them you want. So as you can see, it's currently at 1. I'm going to keep it at that. And then you can, of course, add different items if you would like to, or you can delete it by clicking that trash button at the top right of the product. Now, as you can see, what it says is that you have to add 53.92 more to enjoy free shipping, and each and every single time you add something inside the cart, it will show you how much more money you need to add in, so how much more items of what value, so you get free shipping. Right now, as you can see, I don't get free shipping, but no biggie because it's only a tutorial. So then you want to click checkout, bottom right, where it says checkout. And then once you do that, as you can see, you will have to add in your new address. So right now I'm not going to add in my address because it's not important for this video. But when you do this, you can simply click confirm. And then after that, just go through the checkout process, and then you'll have to pay for it. And then the goods will be delivered to you. So that's pretty much it. That's how you buy things off Hacoo. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.